Hello guys, this is Minecraft Gaming and today I'm going to show you guys how to download Minecraft Story Mode for free. We can download Minecraft Story Mode for free at internet. And at play.mob.org/game Android games. Minecraft Story Mode vi.33 added 07/15/2015. Download 1 million. And guys, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe. When you press download, I already download those, and we go to any files. Just use files ES Explorer or something like that. Type Minecraft. Type there. If you already download the Minecraft Story Mode, you go here, you go to the and click download again, and you will see, and you will extract them. Extract to, choose path, Android OB, and just extract them here. And thank you guys. I am very appreciate for you guys watching my video. Please leave a like or subscribe.